even if we are faithless, God remains faithful. Amy, Chizi, Torai, we spoke at home. We are here with you. And everybody who knew Beryl, allow me just to say sorry. Poleni sana. Please accept our condolences as Nairobi, as the county government, as the people, as my senators said. We have a team from the county government. I think I've seen a few CECs who worked closely with Beryl, with Mom. Maureen, just stand up. Maureen is in charge of environment, and Nairobi Water Company falls under her docket. They worked closely, and Gumo, Michael Gumo is also a CEC. Thank you. Oscar Umoke is the Chief Officer for Water, and so the company was a big part of what it does every day. This news got to us so suddenly, and it was so shocking, because from what I knew, Mom was getting better. I remember a few months ago when I went to see her at ICU at Nairobi Hospital, and she pulled through just a few days after that. She was cheerful, jovial, you know. And just last, I think 2 weeks ago, Torai, we were speaking, and we had some assignments that she left us. And so when we got the news, I was extremely shocked. Somebody slipped me a paper in the middle of a meeting. I have so many things to say about Mom, but I will not go into them today because of time. But one thing I need to tell you is that if there's one person who I saw bring out the best and worst of Raila Amolo Odinga, it was Beryl. I have faced his wrath because of Beryl, and also his joy that I've never seen because of Beryl. I think you all know, when I became governor, there was no broad-based. We were not talking together. But of course, I started it in the city by saying, look, we have to work together. And so one side of the coalition had said, because she had been the chair of Nairobi Water, had said she cannot even be in the board at Olewe. And the other side was saying she must be the chair. You know, it was very awkward. And so I kept her in the board as vice chair. But when Baba had it, he took the first flight to Mombasa. I think the speaker was there. Where's Ken? Ken Ngondi and a few other leaders. I have never seen Baba more emotional, upset, angry. He was literally barking. And I explained the situation and we sorted it out. But then later, I remember one day I had a surprise for Mom. And we met with Baba at Pan-Afric. I saw him so giddy, almost like a child, so excited. And after that incident, we became very close to Mom. You know, I lost my mom when I was very young, but there were schoolmates with Dr. Wenwa. And every time, Beryl would tell me stories of my own mom. And so I looked for those opportunities. She'd tell me, oh, your mom was an athlete in school at Kenya High. She used to run. How comes you don't run? I told her I ran, but I ran for office. You know, it's a bit different. She was the Kenyan champion, you know, Commonwealth champion, 200 meters and 100 meters. And we had amazing interactions. I want to tell you, Amy, my MCA, Chizi and Torai, she loved you immensely. She loved you so much. And you guys are so strong. And I committed to her that I'll make sure you're taken care of. We will not leave you. We will not be away. And even Torai, we spoke. I know my chairman of Nairobi Water is here. The gap left by Beryl will stay in the family. We'll make sure that one of you can take up that slot. I think Torai, yeah. Lakini msitangaze sasa huko nje mseme ati na senator kwa hapo. Asinite senator kusema hiyo ilikuwaje. but she gave a really big contribution to Nairobi. So on our behalf, please accept our deep condolences. We've been with you through this process. We will stay with you, we'll stand with you until we finish. And let's pick up from where she left off. She is one person who loved people. She was not tribal. She had no boundaries. If you see this place so full, it's because of the kind of character that Mom had. May her soul rest in eternal peace. Thank you very much.